In the shaded edges of Sri Lanka, the white-browed fantail moves with a rhythm that looks almost playful. Its quick jumps and sudden flights aren't random. They're part of a precise hunting strategy. By shifting angles rapidly and hovering in short bursts, the fantail flushes tiny insects out of hiding, forcing them into the open. And then comes its signature move, the wide fanned tail. This flare acts like a small air brake, helping the bird twist sharply in midair. It also startles insects hiding in leaves, giving the fantail the split-second advantage it needs. Even on the ground, hopping, striking, and pausing to preen, every movement has purpose. A year-round resident, the fantail survives through agility and a dance shaped by evolution.